there is a positive integer n such that n plus 1 factorial plus n plus 2 factorial equals n factorial times 440. What is the sum of the digits of n? So to start this problem, I'm going to see if I can find out what n is. So here I have n plus 1 factorial plus n plus 2 factorial equals n factorial times 440. And so if I divide both sides by n factorial, that is going to look like n plus 1 factorial divided by n factorial is just going to be n plus 1, and n plus 2 divided by n factorial is going to be n plus 2 times n plus 1. So that all equals 440. And so if I want to, I'm ultimately going to see if I can expand that out. So I have n plus 1 plus, and then I have n squared plus n plus 2n plus 3 equals 440. Okay, so here I've got n squared, and then I have plus 4n, and sorry, this should be my error. This should be a plus 2. So plus 4n plus 3 equals 440. Subtract 440 from both sides. N squared plus 4n minus 437 equals 0. And now I'm going to try to factor this. Kind of a trial and error. I know 20 times 20 equals 400. So some pairs you could try is 20 times 24, see what that equals. 19 times 23. Again, I want to have a difference of 4 between those numbers, and you'll find that 19 times 23 does equal 437. So that's the difference. Those are the two numbers I'm going to use to factor. So it's going to be 9 plus 23 times 9. Sorry, n plus 23 times n minus 19 equals 0, and so therefore n equals 19. That's the number, so it's got to be the positive integer n, so that's 19. The sum of the digits there, so the sum of the digits of n is going to be equal to, it's 1 plus 9, which is 10, and that's what we were ultimately trying to find, so the answer is C, 10.